49 birds are fixed on Sparta. This is Leonidas, the world's first and only truly operational force field. And now, we shall see if it can take out a drone swarm with a single pulse of energy. Leonidas launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before discussing the Leonidas defense system, it is essential to understand the enemy it was designed to counter: unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones. These aircraft have evolved from simple reconnaissance tools into a game-changing weapon in modern warfare. 1. What is a drone UAV? A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle that does not carry a human pilot on board. It is controlled either remotely by an operator or autonomously via onboard software and artificial intelligence. It primarily consists of a frame, propulsion motors, electric or combustion, sensors, cameras, radar, and a communication system that links it to the control station. 2. Drone classification, groups 1 to 5. The U.S. Department of Defense, DoD, categorizes drones into 5 primary groups based on weight, altitude, and speed. Group weight, pounds, operational altitude, feet, speed, knots. Examples: Group 1, 0 to 20, less than 1,200, less than 100, RQ-11, Raven FPV drones. Group 2, 21 to 55, less than 3,500, less than 250, Scan Eagle. Group 3, less than 1,320, less than 18,000, less than 250, RQ-7. Shadow. Group 4, greater than 1,320, less than 18,000, any speed, MQ-1. Predator. Group 5, greater than 1,320, greater than 18,000, any speed, MQ-9. Reaper. Global Hawk. 3. Modern drone types. The new challenges. Recent wars, particularly in Ukraine, have given rise to suicide and tactical drones that have become a nightmare for conventional defenses. FPV drones, first-person view, small inexpensive drones, $300 to $500, controlled via VR goggles. Equipped with explosives, they strike targets with surgical precision. These drones are now responsible for destroying a significant percentage of armored vehicles and heavy machinery. Wired drones, fiber-optic. A modern type that connects to the operator via a microfiber optic cable instead of radio waves. This design makes them completely immune to traditional electronic jamming, as they do not rely on wireless transmission. Loitering munitions. Often called suicide drones, these can remain airborne for extended periods, loitering, until they detect a target, at which point they dive and explode on impact. 4. The drone swarm concept. A swarm is not just a large number of drones, it is a coordinated network where aircraft communicate with each other and distribute tasks autonomously. A single swarm can consist of hundreds of drones attacking simultaneously to saturate enemy radars and deplete their ammunition, making it economically and operationally impossible for conventional missiles like the Patriot to intercept them. 5. The defense gap. Why do we need Leonidas? There are 2 primary problems that have made drones a lethal weapon: economic imbalance, downside cost. Dropping a $500 drone might require a missile worth $2 million. Electronic immunity. Drones operating with autonomous AI or fiber optics are no longer affected by conventional jamming. This is where high-power microwave (HPM) technology embodied in the Leonidas system comes into play. Rather than targeting the control signal, it directly attacks the drone's internal electronics, frying them and causing it to crash regardless of its type or guidance method. Leonidas isn't just a weapon, it is the firewall of the sky. By shifting the battlefield from the radio spectrum to the physical integrity of electronics, the age of cheap, unstoppable drone swarms is finally facing a formidable gatekeeper. But can this system truly handle a massive, intelligent swarm in a real-world saturation attack? And what are the hidden risks of this technology on our own electronic infrastructure? The war of nanometers and microwaves has only just begun. Don't miss the second part of this report, where we'll dive deep into the technical limitations of Leonidas and the secret race to build hardened drones that can survive an HPM strike. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. The next horizon of this battle is waiting.